wholesaling houses versus flipping houses. Which is better? Which one can you make more money at? Which is low risk? Which is higher risk? Well, if you stand by, I'm going to tell you what I think and what the numbers say. So you know what you need to do is stand by. Let's get it.
Text me and I'll text you back. Text me and I'll text you back. Text me then I'll text you back. You text me then I'll text you back. You text me then I'll text you back. TikTok, you don't stop. I will help you make your paper stack. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? 205-964-52439. Yep. 205-964-52439. You know.
Hello guys, this is Ty, aka the Flip Man. Now before I even start this, obviously you can make money with both. Now I can just personally say that I'm on more the side of the wholesaling houses for a number of reasons. But again, you can make money with both. So we'll just get into the actual numbers, the risk involved, the reward involved. Simply saying, and we'll start there, but before I start, make sure that you like this video. If you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell to alert you whenever I go live on YouTube and whenever I upload new content like this. Also, if you need anything, if you need my contract, you need the script, you want to partner with me 50-50, you want to learn how to text to flip, you want to do how to do direct mail, bandit signs, doesn't matter. Text me on 205-964-5243. You're going to get tired of me saying that number. So let's get on to what we're here for. Obviously, we're wholesaling. That's the majority of what my channel is about. And if you don't know what wholesaling houses is, it's a form of flipping houses in reality. Now, flipping houses is what you see on HGTV and what most people think of one of the forms of real estate investing. You buy a house, you fix it, and you flip it to someone that wants to live in it. Now, what wholesaling houses is that you find a great deal, place it under contract, and you flip that contract to the person that wants to flip houses. But you may not have that much money involved, and sometimes not any money involved. Okay, so which is actually better? Now, in most cases, the person that's flipping the houses will make a larger dollar amount, but the return on investment for a wholesaler normally is a lot more. So what is return on investment, also known as ROI? It simply means is how much money did I spend, how much did I get back, and what's that percentage? All right, just to give you some easy numbers here, on a wholesale deal, which is very common, you may be all in as far as an investment of only $100, but the payday that you receive is $15,000. The return on investment on that is 14,900%. Now, as a flipper, you may take that same house that you got from the wholesaler where they made $15,000, all in, you're $70,000 in. When I say all in, that means the purchase, paying the wholesaler, what it costs you to fix the house. Whenever you put it on the market, you sell it for $100,000. So that's a $30,000 spread. Now the return on investment for that flipper is 43%, right under 42%. I mean, right under 43%, but basically I think it's 42.85 to be exact. So we'll just say 43%. So what do we have here? We have one situation where you spent $100 and made $15,000 as a wholesaler, and the return on investment was 14,900%. And then as the flipper, you spent $70,000, which that would have either had to been your money or a mixture of hard money or private lending. So you're on the hook for that in some form or fashion, whether it's all your money or some form of your credit. And you flipped it for $100,000 and you made $30,000, which is more than the $15,000 that the wholesaler made. But the return on investment was only, we'll say, 43% for the flipper. So we're comparing 43% to 14,900% for the wholesaler. I spent $100 as a wholesaler, you spent $70,000 as the flipper. Who had more at risk? Again, you can make money with both. I'm not saying one is better than the other, but really I am. Plus, in a lot of cases, most people don't have the resources. Even if you had $70,000, how many of those can you have going on at once? As a wholesaler, I can easily have 10 deals out there. Even if all of them cost me $100, I'm only out of $1,000 to make $150,000. Whereas if you're a flipper, in order to have 10 deals going on at one, you would have to have $700,000 out there to make $300,000. Not a trick question, just food for thought. Not saying one is better than the other, but in my opinion, wholesaling is. But again, you can make money with both. So if you have questions, again, you can always comment in the comment section of any of my YouTube videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I give it all away right here on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Ask Flipman. And remember, text me at 205-964-5243 if you want the contract, you want the script that I use talking to sellers, you want to learn how to text to flip, you want to learn how to do direct mail, bandit signs. It doesn't matter. You want to partner with me 50-50, you can all text me at that number and I'll text you back. So I hope this video helps, and we'll see you on the flip side.
Text me and I'll text you back. Text me and I'll text you back. Text me then I'll text you back. You text me then I'll text you back. Text me then I'll text you back. TikTok, you don't stop. I will help you make your paper stack. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? 205-964-5243. Now you know. 205-964-5243. Now you know.